Hey guys, Michael Gerard, Wildwood Ovens and Barbecues. This video is going to show you how we install a gas burner into our Milano pizza oven. When installing a gas burner, we like to lay out all the components and identify all the pieces. One of the first steps to installing the gas burner is to create the hole for the burner to fit through. Once the hole is created, you can get ready to install the burner bracket. We place our insulating board, then our oven hearth. Being careful to line up the holes. We like to use a strap to hold the hearth together while we mortar the joints. Once the hearth is assembled, you can proceed with installing the burner bracket. Once the burner bracket is installed, you can insert the gas burner and clamp it in position. It's helpful to have a 120 volt outlet in the vicinity of the gas burner. This will enable power supply to the controls simple. Something to note here, when we apply mortar, we always pre-moisten the contact surfaces. This will prevent the mortar from rapidly sucking moisture into the substructure. As in any good project, teamwork is essential. We recommend cleaning your joints as you go along and keeping all your work surfaces clean. Our mortar is rated for 2,300 degrees. Here you're going to see that we're drilling the hole for the temperature probe. The temperature probe is what will give you the readout of the current temperature of the oven at any given time, and it will display on the controller interface. Right here we're testing our cable lengths and making sure everything reaches to the controller. It's advisable to have a plan beforehand on how you're going to route the cables. This particular project is going to have a plaster adobe finish. So this is how we prepare our ovens to receive a plaster finish. The oven dome is completed now, and once we insulate it, it's ready for the plaster finish. Typically a plaster guy is going to come out and put wire mesh over the dome and secure it to the oven base. Stay tuned for our second video sequence where we're going to show you the completed oven with the plaster finish. This plaster finish job will be using a GFCRF reinforced fiber cement mix with integrated pigment color. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode where you'll see the completed oven plaster finished in the typical adobe style. hope you've learned something from this video and seen how simple it is to install a gas burner, as well as assemble a Milano pizza oven. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We'll keep you in touch with all the new videos of what we're doing at the Wildwood Test Kitchen. Thanks for watching.